I'm back. I'm on my way down to my mate's to prep this Type R, his Integra Type R DC5 that he's got. I don't know how long he's spent on it, we're going to find out today, but he's done a complete rebuild on this DC5. And he's done some tuning as well. So it's a bit like a bit of a car review, I suppose. Just ask him about what he's done to it. Well, when I get down there now, I'll get some footage of this Integra and do a little bit of a review on it. Alright, well, I'll see you in a bit. Well, we're here. We're going to have a look at it now. And this is the owner. How long have you had it then?
I bought it 5 years ago in August.
And what's been done to it?
Over the last couple of years, say it's pretty much gone through a bit of a restoration. So I pulled the engine out and I had the engine bay sandblasted. I painted the whole engine bay, started again from scratch. And while the 2 litre was out, my mates kind of convinced me to do a K24 Frankenstein, which is the K24 out of a Accord. We use the bottom end and we use the Type R head and put them together and we call it a Frankenstein.
Yeah.
Yeah, I decided to go ahead with it in the end.
Yeah.
I assembled the engine here.
Yeah.
And then I had a bit of a change of heart because the block had 120 odd thou on the clock. So I decided to contact a local-ish engine builder from Bridgend.
Yeah.
Who builds engines for the Civic Cup race teams, MMR, which was Michael Morrison. And I dropped the engine off with him and he completely rebuilt it. So he pulled it all apart. We spoke about what we wanted to do first. So the conclusion was we'd use more or less Honda parts. So the only forged items inside are the rods. So we used K28 pistons, which are oversized because the block was honed. All the bores have been honed. It's been decked. The head's been skimmed. New pistons, new rings, forged rods, balanced crank, new oil pump. It's a K20 pump, so it'll rev. All new pumps, all new chains, tensioners.
Basically a full rebuild then.
It was top to bottom rebuild.
Let's have a look at it.
We skimmed the head, all new valves, springs, valve guides, valve stem seals, and he put DC5 cams in.
Yeah.
Because money was starting to get a bit tight at the end.
Yeah.
The gearbox I took up to Grinspeed in Preston, and he rebuilt it. So it had all new bearings in, new seals, second gear hub, second gear cog, and then yeah, you can see the extras that I bought afterwards. A skunk 2 manifold, a skunk 2 throttle body. It's got a Tegua Toda Rep manifold that's been heat wrapped, and it has a 3-inch solid fabs cutback.
That's a lot of information.
Yeah, I'm sure some people will know what it is.
What power is it running?
It's J.cal, Jesse Halford of J.cal mapped it down in Swansea, and it's 277 brake horsepower. Yeah. And it did 219 foot-pounds of torque. Yeah. Which he said it's the most he's ever seen from a K24 Frank. Yeah. Yeah. I told him to calm down a little bit because the clutch is only a standard clutch, so I was a little bit worried. It's got a light and flywheel on it as well.
How will the clutch hold up, do you reckon?
It should be okay. Yeah. It should be. Yeah. The 6-speed, standard 6-speed with LSD as well. Yeah. And it has the shorter gear in the 4th, 5th and 6th compared to the EP3. Yeah. So as soon as we get up to 3rd or 4th, yeah, that's when it really starts singing. It starts pulling hard.
The big question is, when does the VTEC kick in?
It's a bit of a joke. When Jesse mapped it, I wanted my own hashtag, and I got my own hashtag, and it's it comes in at 3, so we call it 3TEC.
3TEC.
3TEC. Not VTEC, it's 3TEC.
video here, and we'll see you on, well, the next video will be Jap Fest, more than likely. This car's on a stand, so yeah. We didn't actually take the car out. Reason why, he's just put the exhaust on, and he put a bit of like sealing paste, so it needs time to dry overnight really. So we're going to do a taking the car out video another day. So yeah, if you can, give the video a like, subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more content coming. There's going to be all sorts. Well, I'm coming to the end of this lane now, so going to need to switch the camera off, back on public roads. So yeah, the fun of cars on black. But yeah, it's all fun. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.